I'm Mindy with Abundance Organizing. Today I'd like to give you a solution for a common household frustration that we see all the time in our decluttering work, especially with paper. We get the question constantly, what do I do with all the operating manuals and product information that come with all the products throughout my house? This project is one of my favorites because it's quick and easy, you only need a few tools, and it's needed in almost every household. If you've just gone through a renovation or are moving into a newly constructed house, the contractors usually like to stash these manuals in a drawer after they've referenced them for installation guidelines. If you've lived in your house for a while, these materials could be all over the place because we're not sure. Do I keep it close to the item it references? Do I store it with the rest of my papers and household documents? Frequently, we come across manuals and warranties when we are going through a client's paper. As we're sorting through with our client, we'll pull them all together in a big stack. They are paper, so it makes sense that these materials would live in your household filing system, doesn't it? So here's the first tip I have to offer. These manuals do not need to live with your other household documents. In fact, because many are booklets, they're bulky, they take up too much valuable space in your file system. We recommend that you invest in a simple, portable file storage bin. You can find them in any office supply store. For most households, one small bin is plenty, and there's no need to invest in anything decorative with extra bells and whistles. This is a utilitarian tool for a utilitarian purpose. For this project, the bin is one of 3 tools that you need. The second is hanging file folders to put inside the bin. Pick a fun color that you enjoy. Again, for most households, one package will probably be plenty. The folders will come with 1/5 tabs. Just get rid of those. No good. Spend a couple more dollars and get a separate package of the 1/3 tabs. They're longer and give you plenty of room to write or type a legible label for longer words or phrases. And those 3 things, that's all you need. Before you file your manuals, sort them into stacks based on broad categories. Some of the categories that I use when sorting: small appliances, large appliances, house systems, furniture and decor, outdoor equipment, electronics, exterior. Remember, the regular organizing logic still applies here. There's surely some paper that can be recycled. Imagine your favorite Abundance Organizing colleague on your shoulder asking, is this product info for the most current item you own? Do you really need that manual? I mean, do you think you might forget how your toaster works? You may find that even after editing, based on the size of the category of materials that you own, you may need to further subdivide or create a category that's unique to your needs. For example, here in this bin, we have a folder labeled fireplace. The best part about this solution is its portability. Remember, I told you it does not need to live with your other paper files. So tuck it away in a spot that's easy to remember, but not in your day-to-day space. I like spaces like secondary closets, garages, basements, laundry or utility rooms, even walk-in pantries for housing these bins. Wherever you can keep it accessible, but out of the way. If you're one of those households that I described earlier, where this stuff is kind of all over, the other great news about this solution is once you've created it, you can continue to add to it. Keep the unused hanging folders in the bin behind the ones you've labeled. When you find that product manual in an unexpected spot, simply relocate it to your bin. When you buy new, replace an item, you can pull out and recycle the old information when you're filing the new. I have one more bonus tip for you today. Since we're talking about where to keep information on how to use items in your house, I wanted to mention media passwords. Many of us are using smart TVs and streaming services these days. Remembering the login and password information for multiple accounts can be challenging, especially if you share your systems with others in your household. Use a decorative box and keep a list of accounts and login information close to your TV. As always, we're here if you need our support. Our consultants are still helping clients with goal setting and planning, prioritizing tasks, guidance on how to structure a project, and accountability to get things done. Share your after photos with us so we can help you celebrate your success, and happy organizing.